crafters, welcome back to my channel, Margaret Knob Designs, and this is a part of our challenge hashtag Christmas 365. And what our purpose for this collaboration is to do something for Christmas every month of the year, and then to share what the projects are. And I really enjoy doing card making, and I really enjoy doing card making kits. For the most part. Not every kit do I enjoy, but the Simple Stories ones are ones that I enjoy. Another one is an independent individual. She makes cards called Kim's Card Kits, and I think I've done one or two of the photo play, but I don't really remember. Simple Stories is one of my favorites. So I'm going to show you what I did and what I put together for these cards, and I pretty much used the kit exactly as it was laid out. I didn't really do a lot of changing up with anything, except for maybe if I made a mistake on it or something. But here is the first card, and I've left them all blank on the inside. And then this kit. The other thing that I really like about this kit, not that I dislike kits that give you extra, it's just that it's really nice. When this kit was done, I only had like 5 pieces of ephemera left, and I could probably add them to the inside of the cards, and maybe I'll take a look at doing that. But I liked that I felt like, okay, the whole kit is finished. And that's one of my goals this year, is to finish up kits wherever they fit into the challenges that I'm working on, or collaborations I'm working on this year. So this is a very simple card. It's with the back, and then a piece in the middle, and then a piece of the ephemera right there. And then here we've got a great one with Santa, and a piece of the chipboard, and a piece of the chipboard here. But otherwise you can see it's a pretty flat card all in all. Not too much extra postage or anything like that. But I just love this Santa Claus. One of the other things that I like about these kits is the fact that they give the ideas for layering, and when I work on my own cards that I make, that I design and make for myself, I can get some thoughts about that from these cards. So here is some stickers back here, and then or not stickers, but it is ephemera. And then this is a chipboard piece, and there's a pattern or blank paper back here, but it's like an arrow, and the other paper in the back. One thing that's unusual about this kit that I really like is that they've taken on the back of here, that this back piece is all one mat, and then there's a mat in the middle, but the mat in the middle also has green edges on its cardstock. So they, rather than layering many pieces of cardstock, they put a lot of it together. So, and this is another one with the bird. This is a chipboard on here, some of the tickets, and I added another ticket on here with the poinsettias. And these are all the standard A2 cards, and you do get with this, the only thing that I guess I'm a little disappointed in is I would like it if they added nice envelopes with this pad. I pulled out some of my envelopes that I'm going to put with them, but other than that, I think they are just great cards. This is a nice picture of Santa with a sentiment here, another piece of the ephemera. This is chipboard back here, chipboard here, and it just all works together so well. This is another horizontal card, and this is layering some of the tickets in the chipboard, and then this is a one-piece chipboard going all the way across. Very nice. And then another one that's horizontal, with this beautiful spray of a poinsettia, and then this is chipboard, and this is chipboard as well, and some chipboard pieces there. So I wanted to show you that I smashed this kit, and the name of this kit by Simple Stories is called Joyful Greetings, and it was just a pleasure to put together because the images were so wonderful. But I will have other participants down in the box below, so I'd like you to take some time and follow along on our Christmas collaboration, and hope you can join us by doing one project a month during the year, and it'll help you get ahead for the winter. And one other way of getting ahead for the winter or for Christmas that I'd like to just give you a thought. Last night I spent just a couple hours putting together some albums, and I thought that by putting together some albums that it would give me a jump start on where I might like to go. So I made, this one is 7x9 with, I believe, a 2.5 or 3-inch spine. This one is a 5.5x6 with a 1 3/4 inch spine. So it's a little book, but it looks like it might work well for just something quick or leftover pieces. And then I did this one, which was 5 by 8 3/4. I wanted to do this 5 by 9, but my chipboard piece that I had left over went to 8 3/4, so I decided, again, I was going to use up what's in my stash. And then the last album that I put together last night, I don't have any pages in them, but I have them together to get going on it. This one is 8.5 by 8.5, and the spine is 2 inches. So this is also a good tip for getting ahead for the year if you want to make some small albums for Christmas gifts. You don't have to make big ones. You can make, very small ones and use it to some of your leftover papers, and enjoy making them now versus making them when you're in a rush at the end of the year. So if you're doing small little folios for your family to put some Christmas pictures in, that's really a good time to do it, is all throughout the year. And remember that a lot of people do December dailies or December weeklies, and it's really up to you. There are families, like when your kids are younger, you have a ton of pictures because of all the different things that you do. But as you get older, you don't always have as many pictures at Christmas time. So remember, just, maybe to keep it small and simple so that you can put in the book the key pictures that you are looking for from your holiday season, from Thanksgiving to Christmas, but just using it for, a few pictures and not 50 pictures. So that's my other tip for this month, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your February, which is today. It's the last day, and springing into March. Hopefully it'll bring us lots of nice sunny weather, and everyone, please stay happy and healthy, and I look forward to seeing you soon again. Thank you so very much for joining me. Have a great day.